Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization WTO. So let's start with meaning of WTO. The World Trade Organization was established on January 1st, 1995. It is the successor of to GATE. WTO has 146 member nations, India being one of the founder members. The ministry conference consisting of the representing of all the members nation is the highest decision making authority of WTO. It meets almost every 3 years. It is empowered to take decision on all matters under the multilateral and trade agreements. So WTO is basically an international organization that is concerned with the regulation of the international trade between nations. Okay, it deals with regulation of trade in goods, services, and intellectual property between participating countries by providing a framework for negotiation, trade agreement, and dispute resolution process. Okay, now let's move on. Function of WTO. Function of WTO. First one is WTO performs the following functions. First one is administrating and implementing the multilateral and plurilateral trade agreement. So multilateral means involving in by more than two nations or parties. Plurilateral means agreement is a multinational legal or trade agreement between countries. So first function of WTO is to implement the rules which are related to multilateral and plurilateral trade agreements. Second one is providing a forum for multilateral trade negotiations among members. Forum. Forum means a place where people can exchange and discuss ideas. So, providing a forum for multilateral and trade negotiation among members means the WTO is a platform that solve the problem of its members. Okay, and next one is facilitating settlement of trade dispute among members. So it resolves trade disputes of its members countries. And next one is overseeing national trade policies. So it is also an important function of the WTO to overseeing the trade policies. Yes, and last one is cooperating with other international institute involved in global policy making. So the World Trade Organization helps the corporations to make global policies to the international institutes. Okay.